Engaging in Indigenous thought is a important precursor to building new relationships and new understandings between Indigenous peoples and non-Indigenous peoples. I found it very useful to discuss with CTSI the workshop format and to work with them to develop something in the workshop format. I'm used to having much more time with people to engage in discussion and work through materials and the like, as opposed to a very condensed version. So their pedagogical knowledge of that workshop model really helped get me to a place where I was really happy with something to introduce people to indigenizing curriculum. Engaging in indigenizing curriculum is essential, and yes, it is required by the university, but also it's an amazing opportunity for faculty and students. Engaging in Indigenous thought is an important precursor to building new relationships and new understandings between Indigenous peoples and non-Indigenous peoples. It's an important way of rethinking disciplines, and it gives us new ways of seeing things, new ways of setting goals, and new methods for evaluating. It can really impact and expand what a discipline does. And as mentioned, this is about also creating those new relationships. And that's important for changing how Canada does things.